It's a natural flavor. So I think all these are Mexican drinks. We got Mexican mineral water. What do you got? Squirt soda. That looks like the 7-Up version of Mexico. Good pineapple nectar. Yeah.
New hat's actually pretty lit.
It's pretty lit, eh?
Yeah.
Matching with the sweater, you know what I'm saying?
I like it.
All right, this order actually looks insanely huge. Look at this. We got a bunch of stuff. I think we got 4 different type of tacos. Or maybe, I don't know, I might be saying it wrong. Don't get mad at me, but I'm ready